Welcome to the viral top 10 in the world. In the realm of professional fields, tools play an indispensable role, enhancing efficiency and simplifying tasks. Similarly, in the world of ethical hacking, there exists a suite of specialized tools designed for various operations such as web penetration testing, network scanning, and exploiting vulnerabilities. Among Linux-based operating systems, Kali Linux stands out as the preferred choice for ethical hackers, gaining widespread recognition after its feature in the Mr. Robot series. This platform is a treasure trove for hackers, equipped with over 600 tools, each serving a distinct purpose. Let's delve into the top 10 tools within Kali Linux that are essential for ethical hackers. Social Engineering Toolkit, SET. At the 10th spot, SET is a pivotal tool in Kali Linux for social engineering attacks. This tool leverages human behavior and psychology to orchestrate attacks, making it a formidable weapon in a hacker's arsenal. It comes pre-installed in Kali Linux, but can be easily added via a specific command in the terminal. Due to its sensitive nature and potential for misuse, detailed explanations of its functions are often omitted. Wireshark, ranking 9th. Wireshark is a network security tool that allows ethical hackers to inspect data transmitted over a network. It captures and analyzes network packets, providing insights into details like source and destination IPs, protocols used, and data headers. These packets typically have a PyPC app extension readable through Wireshark. This tool also comes as a pre-installed feature in Kali Linux. John the Ripper, JTR. 8th on the list, JTR is a powerful password cracking tool. It's adept at executing brute force attacks, including dictionary-based attacks, to assess password strength. It's also utilized by cybersecurity experts to test the security of zip files and hashes. The tool is accessible via a command in the Kali Linux terminal. SQLmap. 7th place goes to SQLmap, an automated tool for testing and exploiting SQL injection vulnerabilities in web applications. It can identify the underlying database of a web application and test parameters and URLs for vulnerabilities. SQLmap is typically pre-installed in Kali Linux, but can also be installed manually. Air cracking. At number 6, air cracking is a comprehensive suite for network security, specializing in sniffer, WPA, WPA2 cracking, and hash capturing. It's predominantly used for Wi-Fi network hacking, capturing packets, and cracking hashes through methods like dictionary attacks. This tool is another standard feature in Kali Linux. Burp Suite, holding the 5th position. Burp Suite is a prominent tool for web application security testing. It functions as a proxy, allowing modifications to web requests for testing vulnerabilities. The Community Edition is free in Kali Linux, with a more feature-rich professional edition available. Netcat. 4th on the list, Netcat is a versatile network utility for port scanning, listening, and redirection, earning the moniker Swiss Army knife of networking tools. It's pre-installed in Kali Linux and can be accessed through a simple terminal command. Nmap. Ranking 3rd, Nmap is a widely used network scanner for network discovery and security auditing. It identifies hosts, ports, services, and even operating systems on a network. It's an essential tool for reconnaissance and is readily available in Kali Linux. Nikto. At number 2, Nikto specializes in web server scanning, identifying security vulnerabilities and misconfigurations. It's an effective tool for detecting outdated server software and insecure files. Nikto can be installed in Kali Linux via a terminal command. Metasploit. Topping the list, Metasploit is the most popular penetration testing framework. Developed by Rapid7 Technologies, it offers a multitude of exploits for various platforms and networks. Metasploit operates primarily through a command line interface, but also offers a graphical interface via the Armitage package. It's a vital tool for ethical hackers, and is used extensively for network and system exploitation. It's important to understand that these tools are not just standalone utilities. They represent a comprehensive ecosystem that provides ethical hackers with the necessary capabilities to test, analyze, and secure various aspects of digital infrastructure. Metagoofle, an invaluable tool for information gathering. Metagoofle extracts metadata from public documents, PDF, doc, XLS, PPT, etc., of a target website. It helps in the reconnaissance phase, giving insights into internal document structures, hidden relationships, and potential security lapses. Ghidra. Developed by the NSA, Ghidra is a software reverse engineering SRE framework that helps analyze malicious code and malware. It supports a variety of processors and operating systems, making it a versatile tool for understanding the inner workings of an unknown binary. Hashcat. Known for its speed and efficiency, Hashcat is an advanced password recovery tool. It offers multiple attack modes such as brute force, combination, and dictionary attacks, and supports a wide array of hashing algorithms, making it a go-to tool for cracking complex passwords. OWASP-ZAP, Z-Attack Proxy. This is a free open-source web application security scanner. It's ideal for beginners and experts alike. offering automated scanners as well as various tools for manual penetration testing. Beef, Browser Exploitation Framework. Beef focuses on the web browser, exploiting its vulnerabilities and assessing the security posture of a target environment. It allows ethical hackers to assess the real-time security state of a browser and its plugins. Kismet. Kismet is a network detector, sniffer, and intrusion detection system for wireless networks. It passively collects packets to identify networks and detect hidden networks. It's highly useful in war driving and network security analysis. Yersinia, a lesser-known but powerful tool. Yersinia is geared towards testing the security of various network protocols, including Ethernet, 8021Q, and Spanning Tree Protocol, STP. It's instrumental in pinpointing vulnerabilities in network protocol implementations. Wi-Fi. Designed for simplicity and ease of use, Wi-Fi automates the process of attacking multiple Wi-Fi networks with different encryptions. It's a preferred tool for beginners in Wi-Fi network hacking and security assessment. Hydra, a fast and flexible login cracker. Hydra is often used for brute force attacks to crack various protocols and services, SSH, FTP, HTTP, etc. It allows ethical hackers to test the resilience of login mechanisms on networks and servers. Mimikatz. A post-exploitation tool, Mimikatz is used to extract plaintext passwords, hashes, PIN codes, and Kerberos tickets from memory. It provides deep insights into Windows security and is instrumental in understanding and mitigating complex security vulnerabilities. Together, these tools form a robust framework for ethical hackers. They not only aid in identifying vulnerabilities, but also play a crucial role in developing strategies to mitigate potential security risks. It's important to note that these tools should be used with a clear understanding of ethical boundaries and legal frameworks. Ethical hacking is about enhancing security, not undermining it, and these tools are meant to be wielded by professionals who are committed to protecting and securing digital environments. And that wraps up our deep dive into the top tools in Kali Linux for ethical hacking. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the powerful utilities at your disposal for strengthening cybersecurity. If you found this information helpful, please remember to hit that like button. It really supports the channel and helps us to bring more content like this to you. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. We love hearing from you, so please leave your thoughts, experiences, or any questions you have in the comments section below. Your feedback is our guiding star for future content. Stay curious, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore even more fascinating aspects of ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Until then, keep hacking the ethical way.